Hello everyone, it's Lorena from Tefal, and today we are going to be making a decadent brownie in our Ingenio Frypan. Now this cookware is one of my favorite cookwares, Ingenio. It is so compact and versatile due to this handy handle that comes on and off the cookware. So in this particular set, we have 3 lids, glass lids. We have 3 airtight, liquid-tight storage lids that fit onto the small, medium, and large saucepan. And then you also get a small fry pan and a large fry pan with our beautiful non-stick titanium coating, with of course our lovely thermal spot there. So today I'm going to be using the large fry pan. We're going to start this recipe on the hob. So we're going to melt the butter and the sugar, and then we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. So you don't even need a mixing bowl. And then it's going to go straight into the oven without any baking paper. So start to finish, the whole thing, one fry pan. So for the ingredients, really easy. These are all ingredients that you have in your pantry or in your refrigerator. We've got about 200 grams of raw sugar, 3 eggs beaten. We have 80 grams of plain flour, 70 grams of dark cocoa, about a tablespoon of vanilla, and 150 grams of butter. All right, so we're going to get started on our brownie. That fry pan is nice and hot. The thermal spot is nice and solid, telling us it's up to temperature. So I'm going to add my butter, melt that away, and now we're going to add our sugar. Yum, that looks good already. Now we're going to add our cocoa. So again, I love the versatility of this recipe because you can do the whole thing in the fry pan. You don't need to dirty a mixing bowl. You don't need to get any baking paper because we've got that lovely non-stick where we'll be able to just slice out our brownie. So that's nice and melted. In goes the vanilla, and there goes the flour. So now we're going to add the egg. I'm going to give that a stir. So again, the versatility of this. Your fryware with Ingenio becomes your bakeware, and then it's your servingware all in one, because we're actually going to put this straight onto the table in the Ingenio pan. All right, so I've flattened that down. And now don't worry about the lumps on that because we're just going to cover that with icing sugar or cocoa. From the stovetop, I'm going to put that now with my handle into a 160-degree oven for 20-22 minutes top, because we want that nice and gooey and chocolatey. It's just a decadent dessert. Oh, look at that. Beautiful, decadent chocolate brownie. So easy to make. In fact, because it's just done in the one pan, this would be an ideal recipe to make with your kids. Few ingredients, all in the one pan, and the result is sensational. So when that cools, we're just going to finish that off by dusting it with a little bit of cocoa, or you can use icing sugar if that's what you have at home. And then we're going to decorate it with some raspberries. And then you can actually serve that straight onto the table, all in the same pan.